Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix error code CH53 on the LG air conditioner. But first, what does this error code mean? Error code CH53 indicates communication problems between the indoor unit and the outdoor unit of the air conditioner. The following are some of the causes of this error: faulty wire connection in the communication cables, an unstable electricity supply, or abnormal transmission circuit of the outdoor or indoor printed circuit board or PCB. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the error. Check the wiring in the communication cables. If error code CH53 occurs right after your LG air conditioner is installed, ask the installation technician to check if they've wired the communication cables properly. If not, they should repair any misconnected wires to ensure there's proper communication between the indoor and outdoor units. Power reset the air conditioner. Unstable electricity supply or low power input can temporarily cause this error. Try turning off the power or tripping the circuit breaker for 5 minutes and resetting it. Also, ensure the outdoor and indoor units are operating at a power input of AC 230V. Check the transmission circuit. If the error persists, call a service technician to check if there is a problem with the transmission circuit of the outdoor or indoor PCB. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.